My name is Nicholas Feng. I'm a professor of mechanical engineering at MIT, and I'm also a co-founder and chief scientist of this company, BMF Material Technology, which was founded about 2 years ago. BMF Material was founded about 2 years ago as a 3D printing company that focused on small precision manufactured parts. This all started by a couple of inquiries from my colleagues, my collaborators from the industry who are looking for prototyping solutions. And then we had a visit from my friend who later became the business partner. He come to Boston and realized the potential of such a technology to become a commercially viable solution. So for small devices in high resolution, high precision, and complexity, sometimes it's hard to see them around you, but there are, I would say, hundreds of those devices or connectors in, for example, mobile cell phones, cameras, and even in, say, medical equipment, apparatus. So it's actually quite rare to notice that some of those devices currently need a rather long time to market, because the iteration from concept to prototyping and to the early stage, low volume production is a bottleneck. The current way of, generating those devices are primarily based on either machining, diamond turning type of processes, or once the tools are established, they start to use a so-called injection molding process that replicate, for example, some of those devices into plastic. So the cost of those production process typically are of over thousands of 3,000 per mold, and the lead time will be roughly about 4 to 8 weeks. And this is why shortening such mold production and tooling process will be highly valuable for OEM manufacturers for early device or product introduction. And we think that micro nano 3D printing will be now an attractive process, and it is also reflected by the feedback from our industrial partners.